Hello, so welcome to this YouTube video. This is basically about a gym managing application where a manager of a gym can enter certain details and do certain functions with the members inside the manager. So I have created several Java classes. The first one is the default member, which is a superclass and which contains several attributes about the object member, and it creates an object called member with the several get set methods. With I've also used input validations to see if the manager enters correct at values to the attributes. Also, it has an over 60 member, which is a subclass of the superclass default member. Here are the specific details, the specific attributes which are only unique to our 60 member, and the other attributes passed from the superclass are also here. Same with the student member, which is also a subclass of the default member. So the next is the gym manager interface. This is basically an interface which has the methods, which contains the methods of the system where the manager can do several functions. This interface is implemented by the My Gym Manager, where all the functions are passed inside. So I basically used an array list for the function of this program. So the manager can add a member, basically as I told, a default member or a 60 member or a student member. So this is the function of adding a member. The member list, the number of members that can be inside the gym is 100, so we're getting only 100 inputs here. So the next function is delete a member, where a member can be deleted using their membership ID, and then the number of free slots and all that will be created. I'll show you that in the running of the program. And also we have function to print the information of our members in the console menu. There's also sorting the members of the list, sorting the list actually. Here the list is sorted and the attributes are shown in the console menu. And also there's a function to save the members, where a file writer is used to write the information about the members into a text file basically. And then here's the we can search the member by membership number, which is certainly to be used inside the graphical user interface. Okay, so I'm going to now run. Oh, okay. And another thing I wanted to explain was for the sorting of the list, which is the fifth function, I use bubble sort, where the functions are entered in another class called the bubble sort class, where all the list with all the members is sorted and passed on. So all these methods are run and all the inputs are taken in the main class. You can see here we have created several objects which we can use. So we can the manager or the user of this program can see this menu where he knows what to press to select the method or the function that he wants. So I use a switch case here to follow the method according to the input of the manager. This is to get the inputs to add a member. You can see for every attribute I have used uh, several inputs. I get several inputs, and also the manager can select the type of the member that he or she wants to enter, and from that we can create the specific type of member. I've also used a switch case here for the three types of members. And also this part is to delete the member, where the manager can enter the input membership number, the membership number of the member, and delete a member according to the membership number. So I'm going to run this program now. So basically it starts to click any button. I'm going to press A, and first I'm going to add 3 members into the system. So I'm going to enter the information about the first member. I have to enter valid email addresses because the input validations are there. I do not use valid email addresses or valid phone numbers, it will give out errors. And the date. You pass the first member as a default member. Then I'm going to go again and add another member. The email address. So I'm going to pass this member as an over 60 member, and I'm going to enter the specific age and the emergency contact number. Okay, so you can see the number of free slots appear here, which reduces by slot. So I'm going to add another member, the final member I'm going to add here. The email address. The date, the month, and the year. So I'm going to pass him as a student member, the school name, the name of the guardian, the phone number of the guardian, and then there are 3 slots. So then I'm going to print the members by 3, where you can see the 3 members, and then I'm going to go ahead and sort the members, where you can see the sorted list, and then I'm going to run the program again and save the members, where you can see the members from the members text file. Here, as you can see, members have been entered inside the text file. And then I'm going to go ahead and delete a member. So I am going to enter the membership number 103. Okay, so the number of free slots available is given. So I'm going to delete another member, and I'm going to give a membership number that is not found. So you can see that the system indicates the member was not found inside the system. So basically, which is what it does. These are the functions that I have inputted and validated inside the system of the gym manager. So thank you for joining in. I hope you understood the coding and the methods that I've used.